Grade 12, mga graduating students nato sa Estela National High School.
Good day, everyone. I'm Janessa Anahal from grade 12 Silang, a nurse who saves lives and bring hope to those in need. Thank you. Good morning, teachers and students. I'm Mika Arlubiano, grade 12 Cangleo, your future accountant. Good day, everyone. I am Rosalba Song, 17, from Chuwal Cangleo, your future nurse. A pleasant morning to everyone. My name is Liamik Piquero. I do believe in a saying, a good teacher must inspire and teach your students. Once again, Liamik Piquero, your future educator.
Music sa please.
Ay, iba din.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to introduce myself. I am Louis Paulin Pato, 18 years old age, from grade 12 Silang. I want to be a manager of the big company. Thank you so much.
Miss mo, siguro Miss Louie.
Good day, everyone. I'm Micaela Deliaso, 12 Cangleo, your future accountant. Good day, everyone. I'm Jessie Apat from 12 Cangleo, your future accountant.
Good day, everyone. I am Norji P. Deliado from Chuwal Cangleo. I want to be a businesswoman someday. Good morning, everyone. My name is Captain Okolang Magislan, Chuwal Cangleo. I want to be a businesswoman someday. Good morning, everyone. My name is Marianne Guliban. I'm grade 12 Silang. I want to be a teacher someday.
Good day, everyone. My name is Caterina Segovia from grade 12 Escoda, soon to be hotel manager. Thank you. Good day, everyone. My name is Yanji Rabieta from grade 12 Escoda. I want to be a teacher someday.
Good morning everyone, I'm Junad Renel F. Capo, grade 12 Escuta, want to be an IT professional.
Good morning everyone, my name is Jeffrey Crivello, 12 Escuta, your future senior.
Good day everyone, my name is Fermiel Bersano Kahab, I'm from Ritual Escuta, my future seaman. Thank you.
Good day everyone, my name is Danister Moreno, in 12 Silang, future BSNT, Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. I believe that seafarer can treat you better.
Isa.
Good morning to us all. My name is Justin J. Slarda from grade 12 Skoda, your future marine transportation.
Okay. Okay.